So I'm using the Canva screen recorder to record this tutorial. I want to show you how to use Canva Code to create or design a fraction matching game. I already have my prompt, so I'll just go ahead and enter my prompt in this box. I'll select code because I want to use the Canva code. And then with my prompt inserted, I'll just go ahead and submit and wait for Canva AI to generate my code for me. So it's currently generating the code. Just give it a few seconds and our game will be ready. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm using the screen recorder and I'm loving it. So our game is ready. So this is the game. Just enter your prompt and you have your game ready. And one thing about Canva AI is that it is conversational. So you can always adjust whatever you want it to adjust for you. Just insert the prompt and then it will make the adjustment for you. Now we can go ahead and publish this as a website or use it in a design. But I'll rather publish as a website because I don't think I want to make any edits. I'll just click on publish and then hit publish. You can adjust the setting, make it visible on Google search by clicking on by toggling this, or add a password protection if you want. But I don't want any of those, so I'll just go ahead and click on publish. And our website will be published. And here it is. So this is how to use Canva Code to code your game. And like I mentioned earlier, this is the screen recorder. So the reason I'm making this tutorial is actually to try out the screen recorder and see how it works. And so far, so good. I like it.